Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The lower rack of your dishwasher has a set of wheels that help it glide smoothly in and out. If those wheels are damaged, then it's best to replace them. In this episode, I'll show you how. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. First, remove the lower rack. Some wheels will be mounted onto a stem. On the inside is a plastic clip which locks it into place. Use a screwdriver to release the clip. Now remove the wheel. In other models, you might have to use pliers to release the tabs on the outside of the wheel. Align the new wheel and snap it into place. Some models have a wheel assembly that is anchored by several small clips. Release the clips to remove the assembly. Align the new wheel assembly. Now push down to snap each clip into place. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.